To monitor client internet traffic using Impero, you will need to install an extension for the browser that the end user is working with. To install the extension for users working on Google Chrome, open the Chrome browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. Type Impero into the search box. The correct extension is called Impero Education Pro. Select Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension to monitor all URL traffic on Chrome. To enable the extension for Internet Explorer, you need to open the browser on the client machine. Then select the Settings cog in the top right corner and click on Manage Add-ons. The extension for Internet Explorer is already installed as part of the Impero client package. You need to select Impero Solutions Limited, Impero v3bho, and click Enable. Now the extension is enabled, you'll be able to monitor URL traffic on Internet Explorer. To take full advantage of our cloud browser application and get access to tools such as Broadcast Screen, you need to install the Impero Cloud extension. This can also be found on the Google Chrome Store. Select Add to Chrome to install the Impero Cloud extension.